Very good to all, my friends. This time I bring you a new list of cool, useful and even necessary gadgets for your motorcycle, which you can find at AUTOMOBILEMOTO. Remember that the links of each one can be found in the description of this video. Riding motorcycles with your friends is fun. The difficult thing can be when they have to communicate while driving. For this reason, this gadget has been created that has a connection to each other to communicate between several motorcyclists without problems. In addition, it has the main functionality of a camera for helmets in high definition. In this way you can record the route you do on your motorcycle. It has a battery with an operating autonomy of 4.5 hours. In addition, it has a connection via Bluetooth 4.1. A good gadget to accompany us with friends and during motorcycle tours. We must always be alert to all our surroundings to avoid accidents. A little distraction can result in tragedy. However, sometimes we need to take a look at our phones, whether we are using GPS to guide us on our journey or we are on the lookout for an important notification. That is why this phone holder is ideal to be able to see our cell phone without losing sight of the road. It has an elegant design. It also has a certification in 6066 that protects it against water. This device can be found with wireless charging or also in a simpler version with cable charging to keep our phones charged during the trip. The chains of a motorcycle is one of the most important parts, which is why we must pay attention to its condition, as well as its maintenance. That is why this gadget is quite useful. This is a motorcycle chain tester. We know that as their useful life is consumed, they are gradually stretched. That is why this practical tester is ideal, since it allows us to know if the chain of our motorcycle is being stretched to change it or do the necessary maintenance. Helps you quickly detect chain wear and easily complete chain maintenance.
不存在的事儿。不存在的事儿。不存在的事儿。
Time to get up and go to play, making funny faces.
不存在的事儿。